Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's tool talk, and it's going to be a tool talk and not a tool review because I have no idea what tools we're going to look at today. So, Jersey Discount Tool Company, that's the company that I bought this cordless tool detailer from that you guys recommended to me. You can see I've used quite a bit of that. I do really like it. It's not going to replace my Houdini, but for getting bulk off of my tools before I use the Houdini to kind of save me some of that, I do really like this. I think it works extremely well. But because I bought that, I'm on their mailing list, and they sent out some emails for Black Friday saying that they were having a Black Friday mystery box. And that's what I have here today, even though it's not a box. But they had three different tiers. They had $25, $50, and $100. I bought the $50 tier. As you can see here, that's what I purchased. And the only reason why I bought the 50 and not the 100 is because it did kind of in a way, and I forgot to screenshot it, and it's gone now. But the wording kind of said that it was going to be geared toward automotive tools. So that might be what we're looking at today. And that's not my jam in particularly, but I do use them here at my own house, so I'm fine with that. And it's kind of a gamble. You have no idea what you're getting. They did say that it should be worth at least the equivalent, or maybe possibly could be worth more. But they were plain as day. It said no refunds, no returns. If you're worried about taking a risk, basically don't buy this. So I don't see it as a gamble so much as I'm just interested. It's kind of a Christmassy type feeling to me of I'm getting something in the mail that I don't even know what it is. Let's see what they sent me. And again, you can see it's still sealed up. I haven't opened it. It's from Jersey Discount Tool Company there to me. So we're going to open this together. I'm just going to put them up there. We'll see what they are. Again, I know nothing about what's in here. There may be some tools that I don't even know what they do, especially if they're geared toward automotive. So maybe you guys will be able to help me in the comments below. And then I'll also, if I can go find them while I'm editing, I'll put up, something about the price and, how much they're worth. And we'll see how it tallies up at the end. But then you guys can also let me know if you feel like I got a good deal on it or not. And again, they didn't know that they were sending this to Morgan's Maintenance on YouTube. And I'm not saying that like I'm a big person or something like that, but I didn't in any way tell them that I was going to be opening this on YouTube for people to look at, because I didn't want, for some reason, maybe them to stack the deck and it looked like I got something really special and, everybody would come buy some next year. So I purposely didn't say that so that they wouldn't know that. So we're going into this blind. Let's go ahead and cut this thing open, and we'll open it up and see what we got. And it could be one tool, it could be 10 tools. This may be a 2-minute video, it may be a 30-minute video. I have no idea. I don't expect it's very many in this size package right here. So again, I'm going to go ahead and get that opened up. I'm going to try to just pull out one at a time so that I don't see what else is in there. I do feel a couple things at least. So first thing we have, OEM Tools right hand bolt extractor set. So you got 5 tapered bearing steel screw extractors, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you basically got drill bits and then also some bolt extractors. Let me go ahead and open up this package since I can't return it, so it doesn't matter if I like it or not. I took the gamble, I took the risk, so we'll open it up and look and see what this is. So again, I don't know how much this is worth. 25467 is the part number on it, OEM Tools. See how this one opens. So it's basically some drill bits and some bolt extractors for you to be able to get into that. So we'll find out. Again, I'll post something up here if I can look this up. But there's the sizes that come inside of that. If I can look this up, and we'll kind of keep a tally going of the prices to see if I get to the $50. So let me go ahead and fill in here. I think I really only fill one more thing, so we might only have 2 things inside of here. Easy Red. I like Easy Red. I got a couple Easy Red tools. Cut this tape open. I don't know what this is. A mini master set, 1/4 inch drive, 8 metric sockets, 10 bits, 3 extension, rugged nylon roll-up pouch. MMS14 is the part number on that. Now I do like this. This looks like it's going to be something I probably will use quite a bit. So it's very much like my Icon ratchet wrench. You got that flex head with several little locking positions in there, so it's not a free flex. It's got the reverse and forward. It also has a 1/4 inch bit on this end, so you can take driver bits. Let's see what all driver bits you get with it. So there's all the driver bits. Looks like you got some hex, some Phillips, some slotted, and some Torx. but looks like to me that you can put the bits in this end here and use that like a screwdriver if you want to. And it's got sockets inside of here as well, and I believe it's all metric is what the package said. I'm not going to go through there and see what all it says. It says 8 metric sockets, 4 to 11 millimeters. So yeah, we got all metric sockets in here to work with the flex head ratchet, along with an extension there that comes inside that pouch with it. So that's not a bad set. I actually like that. I'll probably be able to keep that maybe in my, I don't know that I'm going to need it in my truck because I keep my Icon wrench and all that stuff in my truck. But this is a good little set in a small roll-up pouch like this that we'll be able to probably put in like my wife's car or something like that, just for me to have, or might be something to put into a, you know, different kind of bag, a little go bag that I have or something like that. So that's the Easy Red Mini Master Set MMS14. Again, I'll put the price up here, and I believe that that's all that's in here. Yeah, that's all that's in there. Bag is empty. So between these two, I don't know if the tally equals up to 50 bucks. It seems like to me this is probably going to be pretty expensive as far as to get me close to that $50. I don't know how much this is worth, but let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Let me know if you feel like it was worth it. I guess I'll find out for sure as far as the pricing. But if these are two tools that you've been maybe looking at and you would have paid $50 for it, I guess that's all that matters. I do like this. I think that's kind of neat. So, but again, let me know in the comments below what you think about their idea anyways. I kind of like that. It kind of stinks if you get some tools that you absolutely wouldn't use, but for the most part, there's not very many tools out there that I'm not going to find a use for. I mean, I got some drill bits here. This is just something I'll keep in there. It gives me an extra possibility if I need something. Matter of fact, I'm not even sure if I've got any of these, so it does. At least I got two things that I can possibly use. I think it's a neat idea. I don't know if any other companies out there do stuff like this. If you know somebody or another company that does this, let us know that in the comments below, because I just think it's a neat idea. Because you could go with that cheaper tier and you're not out that much money. And I just think it's neat to get some stuff in and you don't know what it is. So hope this was interesting in some way. I'm sure it wasn't useful, but hopefully it was interesting. You guys stay safe. Have a blessed day. I'll see you on the next video.